Hi, everybody. Mrs. Stearns here. Just wanted to send a quick screencast just to make sure that everybody knows how to make sure that the kids are logged into their Google account, how to get to our Google Classroom, and then ultimately, and most importantly, how to get to our Zoom classroom. So I'm just going to do this real quick, and hopefully everybody will have their information ready to go, and we'll see you on Monday. So most importantly, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your student is logged into their Google account. So everybody knows how to find a Google page. What you're going to do is you're going to look up in this corner and make sure that the avatar is here that has your child's first initial, or if you've previously added a picture or something to their profile, that is here. A lot of moms and dads use Google accounts. You will not be able to get on to our Zoom meeting or into our classroom if your child's not logged in. So click on the avatar. Make sure that your child's name is here and their email address that is their 6-digit student ID at nmusd.us. I'm going to sign out real quick just so that you can see what you need to look for. So when you go to Google, you'll see this little sign in button. You click it and then you choose an account. If you don't see yours listed, then you can click use another account and you'll be able to type in their 6-digit user ID at nmusd.us. So once you've clicked on their link and you've put in their password, that's their NMUSD password, you'll be able to log in and you'll be all set, ready to go. All right, so that's logging into the Google account. Next, let's get to Classroom. All of the kids, once they're logged in, will have access to their waffle. This is your NMUSD waffle, specific to NMUSD. This has all kinds of links that we're going to be using throughout the year. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you can double check and make sure that your child's avatar is here or the first initial of their first name. You'll see the icon that says Classroom. This is Google Classroom. Click on that. And yours is going to look slightly different because it's a student dashboard, but just look for the big blue rectangle that says Captain Stearns 2021. The first page that will open will be your stream page. This is where I leave messages for kids and for parents. Please make sure you check this every morning when you log in and after we log off of Zoom for the end of the day. So I'll leave announcements, I'll post things from time to time that you need to see, but please make sure you log on. I would give yourself at least 15 to 20 minutes before class starts at 8:30. Get the kids logged in and settled, check the stream. You can check the rest of the things I'm going to be showing you and make sure you have all of the things that you need ready to go. All right, so most important, log in, Google account, go to Google Classroom in the waffle, check the stream. All right, second thing, classwork. Now, this is how we're going to get to our Zoom invite. I will have this distance learning schedule topic up all year. I will not change it. It will be the first topic on the page. Other things that the kids and I will be using will be below. But for now, all you need to do is click where it says Zoom login invite. And if you see this link right here, I can't click on it now or it'll take us away. But if you click this link, it will take you right to our Zoom join page. All right. And then they should be able to log in with Google. Click the login with Google button and access our Zoom. Everything else I'll be able to show you on the first day. So just remember, none of this will work unless your child has logged into their Google account. That's the most important thing. And once 8:30 starts, I won't be able to help people. I won't even know that you're trying to log in. So please try and practice a couple times over the weekend. I'm going to be practicing too to make sure that everything works. If you have any questions, email me. But hopefully that's helpful. And I am so excited to see all of you on Monday. So Monday morning, 8:30 on Zoom. We'll see you then. Bye.